We can get high, oh nah nah nah. We can get low, oh nah nah nah. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. Tell you no lies, oh nah nah nah. We can get lost, oh nah nah nah.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra Velasco. Today I decided to renew my look and do a different kind of look since I haven't done any makeup looks in my channel in a while. So I went with this look because I was really inspired by this top right here. I went with a really colorful look because I didn't want everything to be too matchy-matchy. As you guys can see, the shirt is kind of has this gold detail, then with the brown belt, brown leggings, and then the shoes are like these. I don't know if I'm going to put these shoes on or maybe change them up, but anyways, if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. And we're just going to get into it. So I decided to do this video because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, and this one's not going to be a makeup tutorial, but I'm just going to be getting ready with you guys. You guys get ready with me for a birthday party. So we are invited to my husband's cousin's son's birthday party. So he is going to turn, I guess, 2 years old. We already bought his gift yesterday. My mom bought him a gift and I did too. So today, say hi. Pero agáchate así, hija. Say hi. So right now my son is asleep and my daughter didn't want to go to sleep because since we had gone to the trip, they got unused to going to sleep in the daytime. So it gets really tough for me, but if you're a mother, you know how it is. But I decided to bring her along here because I didn't want to force her to go to sleep if she didn't want to. In the party, if she feels sleepy, then I'm going to make her go to sleep. But if she doesn't, then we're just going to enjoy the party. So I'm gonna use the cream that my mom made for me. I don't know what ingredients are in there, but there are a lot of vitamins and things in there. It actually costs about yeah. She liked the beauty blenders. That's why she's laughing. Tienes que estar aquí sentada para que te veas, hija. So I guess I'm gonna go to the side. Anyways, it has a lot of vitamins and everything, and it costs around maybe 700 pesos to make like a batch of these creams, which is kind of a lot, but it still does make a lot of batches of cream. So today I decided to wear foundation on, and first I'm going to use the BB cream to fill my pores, and then the dollar store makeup that I first didn't like but now I kind of like. Well, it's the only thing that I have. And then this True Match color, which is in the color Light Ivory W2, and it does not match me, as you guys can see, but I kind of make it match with the contour and everything, so we're gonna work with it. So since I only have 2 hours to get ready, I'm just going to kind of do it fast and hope you guys like this video anyway. So it really sucks for us small YouTubers. I know I'm really changing the subject, but it really sucks for the small YouTubers that don't really have a lot of following like me, and then for YouTube to be doing that to us for the monetization. I can't even say that. Monetization thing. So I'm gonna use the, what is it called? Equal Tools makeup brush kit for the blending. Oh, actually, never mind. I'm gonna use the beauty blenders that my mom gave to me. So I just went away to dampen the beauty blender, and then I just got rid of all the excess water. And I have never used a beauty blender. Sit down, hija. Hazme así pues.
Qué charito.
Oh, ay, mi chiquita. chiquita. ¿Por qué? ¿Qué te pasó, hija?
Ese rompido ese me mejor tener que ir a McDonald's porque se está rompiendo.
Ah, ok. Dale pues, espérame. Deja nomás me pongo tantito más. I'm gonna put some more in my eyes because, on my eyelids because she wants to use the beauty blender. Espérate, con esta era. Así. Con esta, hija. Así. And I don't really use concealer because I don't have any, or I think I do, but I don't know where it is. So now to set my face, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay pressed powder, and this is just regular brush that I don't know what it's or where it's from. I'm sorry if I'm rushing you guys, but I only have 2 hours, and then the party is in Ocotlan. It's about 15-20 minutes away, so I don't want my son to wake up and me not be ready, so that's why I'm really rushing. Sometimes I don't set my eyelids because I want the colors to be more vibrant, but it doesn't really, how do you say? It doesn't really blend well when you don't set your eyelids. Now for the eyeshadows, I'm going to be using this 3rd edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to be using the eyeshadow brush with the lip brush on the Equal kit. It's the only eyeshadow brushes that I have, or brushes that I have. So this makeup look, I'm going to be doing it really colorful. Well, kind of colorful. I don't want it to be too dramatic, but I also want it to be colorful for it to show. So I'm going to be using pinks and yellows on this side. So for the crease color, I guess I'm going to be taking the same color that I always use, which is this one, just a little bit to blend it on the lid. I don't know how some girls just blend it away and things like that, maybe because they have good brushes, but I just can't do that. When I go like this all over the place, then the eyeshadow also goes all over the place, so I can't really do that. Then I guess I'm going to be taking this orangey shimmery shade over that. And lastly, for the crease color, or for the blending, I'm going to use this darker pink color. And I'm just going to put it a little bit under those colors. Thank you.
Ahorita te vas a limpiar con este.
Sí. Then for the lid, I'm going to be using pinks too. I guess I'm going to be taking, what color should I do? This one right here. And I'm just going to put it on half of my lid. I'm going to be using this lighter orangey shade. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to be taking the brightest yellow that I have and just putting it on my inner corner. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to be taking this orangey color and then this one and just blending them kind of together. And then maybe this lighter shade for the inner corner, not inner corner, but next to the inner corner. I feel like makeup tutorials are no longer watched so much as before. Do you guys feel me? I think it's not only me, but I know that's true because sometimes that I watch makeup tutorials, they kind of bore me now because I feel like vlogs are more fun now. I don't know why. Maybe people are doing more things, or I don't know. Or people just like looking at other people's life. For the brow bone, I'm going to be taking the highlighter that I use for my cheekbones. And I guess I'm going to put some on the inner corner too. I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, then my mascara, of course curling my lashes before, and then I'm going to see you guys after. I'm back, you guys, and I did my eyeliner with the thing that I use for my brows, which is this. I always do the same, I always use the same products because they're the only products that I have. So right now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And is it just me, or I guess it's not just me, but a lot of people's eyebrows, one comes out better than the other. So I don't know what it is, but it always happens to me. And then after I'm done with doing my brows, I usually set them with any mascara that I have. Just take off the excess and then just comb them through. For the face, I'm going to be taking the same palette that I always use. I have everything the same, and I'm going to be using the darkest color. Or today, I think I'm going to be using this color because I want the makeup to be kind of lighter than usual. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I usually don't wear a lot of, what is it called? Of blush. I just don't like how that looks on me. But sometimes I do wear it. I do like to wear it. Maybe with this makeup I would wear it because since it's really colorful and summery, I think it would go with it. But for today, I'm just going to do a lighter contour. And then just the highlight and just the nose contour with the darkest color. I don't know why I can't talk in English. Oh, I was going to mention to you guys that if I should do videos in Spanish, thank you. I should do videos in Spanish or mix them up with Spanglish maybe. So as I said, the highlighter, I'm going to be taking this color that I always use and just highlighting my cheekbones. Oh, and another thing, I don't like to highlight my forehead or my chin because on my face I think it makes it look sweaty. So that is another thing that I don't like. But if you do, then this is the end product, you guys. I just put some earrings on. I put the top on that I showed you guys that I bought. I curled my hair with the hair straightener and I just put some earrings on. This is the makeup that I have. And then I just put a belt on my waist and just some brown leggings, a shirt underneath, a tank top. And I'm going to show you guys the shoes that I'm going to wear. brown leggings, and then the shoes are like these.
I do the time for you, tell a lie for you, yeah, baby, that's what I do. I walk the line for you, take a shot for you, yeah, baby, that's